Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is noun phrase 620. The noun phrase today is Deadwood, and we got three meanings. Okay, if somebody wants a screenshot or it now, let's go right to it. The term Deadwood is believed to derive from shipbuilding. It was simply the technique of laying bricks of timber in the keel. This was not considered an essential part of the building of the ship, and it simply made the keel more rigid, so stronger. Okay. All right, now the first two uses you could see as a noun phrase as two words, but sometimes some dictionaries also have them as a single word. So sometimes it could just be a noun instead of a noun phrase. So here's our first meaning. People who are ineffective or unproductive, often used about people working in jobs. We got two examples. The new administration is trying to get rid of the dead wood in the government to cut down on costs. Or number two here, the new CEO immediately wanted to downsize the workforce and was looking to get rid of the dead wood. Okay. The second one, the dead parts of a tree, bush, or plant. So this is another one that could either be found as a single word or a noun phrase. If you want to prune the trees and bushes, you need to remove the dead wood. Okay, good. And the last one is mostly just a single word, and it's mostly used in bowling. The fallen pins that have not yet been cleared. Okay, we'll just have one example. At that bowling alley nowadays, they have a machine to automatically sweep away the dead wood, the fallen down pins. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. Hope it's clear. Hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.